Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of angular velocity. So as per the word prompt, calculate the angular velocity of 0.3 meter radius car tire when the car travels at 15.0 meters per second. So we are given the linear speed of the car, radius of the car tire, and we have to find its angular velocity. The unit for angular velocity can be radians per second or degrees per second. Let's calculate the angular velocity in radians per second first, and then we'll calculate the angular velocity in degrees per second. So let's start with radians per second. So we are given that the speed of the car is 15 meters per second. So that's also the linear speed of the car tire. The unit of the linear speed is meters per second. We have to convert the unit meters per second to radians per second, and for that we'll analyze the rotations of the car tire. In one full rotation, the car tire rotates through an angle 2 pi radians or 360 degrees. We are doing the calculations for radians per second. We'll use the radian angle. And in that one rotation, the tire travels a distance equal to its circumference. The formula for circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. That means for every 2 pi radian rotation, the tire travels a distance of 2 pi r. Now we are given that the radius is 0.3 meters. Two times 0.3 is 0.6. So for every 2 pi radian rotation, the tire travels a distance of 0.6 pi meters. So we can use this conversion rate to change meters to radians in the given linear velocity. So we should multiply 15 meters per second by 2 pi radian over 0.6 pi meter. We want to keep the meter unit in the denominator because we want to cancel out the meter unit. We can also cancel out the pi's. Now we can do the multiplication. 15 times 2 is 30. Now we can do the calculation. 30 divided by 0.6, which is equal to 50. So this is the angular velocity of the car tire in radians per second. Now we can calculate the angular velocity in degrees per second. So for that, we'll convert the 50 radians per second into degrees per second. We should use the conversion rate between radians and degrees. We know that pi radians is equivalent to 180 degrees. So we should multiply 50 radians per second by 180 degrees over pi radian. We keep the pi radians in the denominator because we want to cancel out the radian unit. Now we can do the multiplication. So we do 50 times 180. I get 9000 over pi degrees per second. So this is the exact answer for the angular velocity in degrees per second. For the rounded answer, we can divide 9000 by pi. I get 2864.79 degrees per second. So this should be the final answer for the answer rounded to 2 decimal places for degrees per second. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.